Amazon is reportedly planning to charge for a revamped version of Alexa powered by artificial intelligence, marking a major shift for the digital assistant that's been free for a decade. The new subscription service could cost up to $10 a month and offer enhanced features like personalized recipe suggestions based on dietary needs and AI-generated news summaries. According to a report by Carolyn O'Donovan, the new Alexa service is expected to launch in October. Users will still be able to use the existing version of Alexa for free, but the subscription option will add new capabilities. For example, it will suggest meal ideas tailored to your family's dietary restrictions and provide AI-generated summaries of news stories, making it a more helpful household companion. Amazon has a long history of offering various subscriptions like Amazon Prime, but it has never charged directly for Alexa. Most people access Alexa through Amazon Echo speakers or other compatible devices, and until now, they haven't had to pay for the voice assistant itself. Introducing a paid tier for Alexa is a notable change and reflects a broader trend in technology where companies are pushing subscriptions for services that were once free. Digital assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant promised to revolutionize how we interact with technology, but they've mostly fallen short of those expectations. Even though millions of people use them daily, the majority rely on these assistants for simple tasks like playing music, checking the weather, or setting reminders. A survey by consumer intelligence research partners found that about two-thirds of Alexa users operate their devices a few times a week, but most of these interactions are basic. Few people use Alexa for more complex tasks like controlling smart home devices or shopping on Amazon. This limited usage could make it challenging for Amazon to convince users to pay for a more advanced version of Alexa. In the early 2010s, many tech companies predicted that digital assistants would become as indispensable as smartphones. But instead, the assistants were often less capable than promised, and many users found it easier to type or tap rather than voice their commands.